Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Back up your work, close Excel, and make sure you have admin privileges on the PC. Once done, decide whether you will move to Office 365 subscription or buy a one-time Office 2019/2021 license, because Excel 2010 no longer receives updates. Upgrading is the only way. Next, obtain the installer and product key from Microsoft or your vendor. Make sure your Windows version is supported. If not, plan a Windows update first so the new Office will install cleanly. You run the installer as an administrator and follow the on-screen prompts. When prompted, enter your product key or sign into your Microsoft account for a subscription. Choose 64-bit only if you need large workbook support and compatible add-ins. Otherwise, pick 32-bit for broader compatibility. Select Custom Install if you want to keep only Excel, then begin installation. Make sure to restart the computer if prompted. That completes file registration and removes lingering Excel 2010 components, so the new version functions without conflicts. You finish by activating Office, sign into your Microsoft account, and confirm the license so updates can flow. Then run Windows Update and enable Microsoft Update to download the latest Office patches. This ensures security and feature updates. If something goes wrong, first reboot and try activation again. If activation still fails, remove old product keys, uninstall residual Office 2010 components, or run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. That tool often resolves activation errors and incomplete installs, so you can return to full Excel functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.